In this video, I'll be talking about the one-time price dimension. Imagine the scenario where we have to add the installation charges for our product, and that will be only one time. And we do not want to include that particular charges into the product renewal. So let's go to the product, the MDQ product, and go to the price dimension related list. So here you can see we have already set up the yearly price dimension for this product. So now we are going to add the one-time price dimension. Here you can set the dimension name for this. So let's set the installation and set the one time as the MDQ type, and let's add the $20 as the installation charges. One more important thing here to note is you cannot use the one-time price dimension independently. So there has to be a time-based multidimensional record associated with this. So now go back to the code and see how the one-time price dimension will add into the code. So here you can see that as per subscription term, the segment have been configured with additional segment for the one-time price dimension, and that is installation. So here again you can also set the quantity or the additional discount, and this particular code line will not be included into the renewal once you made the renewals on the actual contract.